Abigail was excited yet nervous about starting a new chapter of her life in this picturesque neighborhood. She was a bit worried about making new friends since she didn't know anyone in Willowbrook. On her first day in the town, she decided to explore the area, hoping to discover some friendly faces.
I'm going to show you how to turn plain text into breathtaking images and then transform the images into mind-blowing 3D animation. First step is generating script. You can do this on your own or get ideas from Chatgpt. Simply give it a prompt and it will generate a captivating script for your project. Open Chat and write, for example, a moral short story of a girl who moved into a new neighborhood. Next, we will ask Chatgpt to write image prompts to generate images for every sentence of this story. For those who don't know this tool, let me introduce you to Leonardo AI. It is an AI software that can generate stunning images. Leonardo AI gives you free 150 tokens each day to enable you to generate amazing images. Let's see how it works. Just click on AI Image Generation, choose 3D Animation Style Model, and change the aspect ratio to 16.9. Now let's go to Chatgpt and copy the prompts and paste them into Leonardo AI. Then click the Generate option. It will take a few seconds. Here it is. We now have a collection of images that perfectly match our script. These are some of the alluring images I have generated in the past using Leonardo AI. Next, convert the images into animation. Go to LeoPix. It is a simple to use animation tool and it is completely free first sign up. Just upload the images we generated from Leonardo AI and you can animate it easily. Also, adjust animation length and style, making sure to use different animation style for each scene. For this project, the voiceover we'll use is 11 Labs. 11 Labs uses AI to generate the perfect voiceover for your story. It can generate AI voices in 28 languages. After signing into your account, paste the story copied from Chatgpt, then click Generate option. For commercial usage, 11 Labs requires you pay for the premium service, but of course you can use your own voice, as this would guarantee you have no issue for those who monetize their content on YouTube. Finally, it's time to elevate our project to the next level. So let's turn to CapCut. CapCut's editing software is easy to use, but you can use any video editor of your choice. First, we will import all images that we have generated through Leonardo AI. Then, we will also import voiceover recording. Now, we will add the imported media to the timeline one by one. After editing, this is what we've got.
Once upon a time, in a charming little town named Willowbrook, nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a young girl named Abigail. Abigail, a spirited and adventurous 10-year-old, had just moved to Willowbrook with her family. Their new house, a cozy cottage with a white picket fence and a garden bursting with colorful flowers, sat at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. Abigail was excited yet nervous about starting a new chapter of her life in this picturesque neighborhood. She was a bit worried about making new friends since she didn't know anyone in Willowbrook. On her first day in the town, she decided to explore the area, hoping to discover some friendly faces. As she strolled down the winding streets lined with tall oak trees, Abigail noticed a group of kids playing in the park. They were laughing, running, and having a great time. With a deep breath to muster her courage, Abigail approached them. "Hi, my name is Abigail," she said with a warm smile. The kids turned to look at the newcomer, and one of them, a girl with a beaming smile named Lily, stepped forward. "I'm Lily, and this is Ethan, Ava, and Lucas," she introduced her friends. Abigail quickly joined in the fun, and it was as if she had been a part of their group forever.
Now, I will share with you some simple ways to earn money with animation. But please subscribe to The Job of Thinking. And if this video has been helpful, remember to click the like button.
Thank you so much for liking and subscribing.
Here is a quick list of how to make money from animation. Number 1. Freelance. Offer your animation services to clients on a freelance basis. You can find clients through online job boards, social media, or networking. 2. YouTube. Create and upload animated videos to YouTube. Once you have a large audience, You can monetize your videos through advertising, sponsorship, or affiliate marketing. Next is stock footage. Create and sell animated stock footage to other video creators. There are a number of websites where you can sell stock footage, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5. And now number 4, create and sell animated products. Create and sell animated products such as ebooks, online courses, or make animated videos advertising your products or services. I will make another video in the future discussing more about making quality animation.
Made a promise that I would protect you no matter what.
Next video is on copywriting and how to make steady income as a copywriter.
I look forward to it.